This is the Nissan Gallery Global Headquarters Museum. Look at all these cars. They're really cool from throughout the years. Let's go take a look. Here's the Nissan GTR from 2007. How about this one? These are all Nissan cars. This is the Nissan Prince Skyline Sport Coupe. This is from 1960. How about that? Wow. This is the Nissan R380 from 1967. And it's sitting next to the Datsun 240Z, winning car of the 19th East African Safari Rally in 1971. Here's the Datsun Bluebird, built in 1959. And now we fast forward to the future, to today. This is the Vision QE concept. It's an all-electric car. Check this out. How about the wheels? I'll take a couple of those. How about that? Can't see inside. Seamless. No door handle. And here's the Skyline Hardtop 2000 GTR from 1969. Maybe some of you had one of these. Let's see what this is. It looks familiar to me. I didn't have this car, but this is what is this? Oh no, the Skyline GTR. Call it GTR. This one's from 1989. This is the Skyline GTR from 1989. Maybe some of you had this one. It's a really nice showcase here. They even have a shop over here. They have new cars, the old cars. Amazing space. Yeah, it's free entry. Come in. Lots of people taking pictures and just walking around. They have a cafe. This is in Yokohama, Japan. And there are the Nissan Motor Car Girls.